Hello guys, this is first lecture on linear programming problem LPP. What is the meaning of linear programming and how to solve or how to formulate these kind of problems. So what is the meaning of linear? Linear means that all the relation in the particular problem are linear, and the term programming refers to the process determining a particular programming or plan of action. That is, in linear programming problem, there are some equations or inequalities which contains either less than equals to or greater than equals to or equals to sign. That is, an equation of the form a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 up to a1n xn. It may be greater than equals to or equals to or less than equals to b1. Same as a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 up to a2n xn, again greater than equals to or less than equals to b2. These are the some equations. These are known as subject to conditions. Subject to condition. And it contains a function which is either max z or minimum z. This kind of function is known as objective function. This kind of function is known as objective function, which defines the value of the function as maximum or minimum. Either it shows maximum profit or it shows minimum cost. So, and we are talking here about manufacturing units or a retailer or a person. That is, these all our conditions are real life conditions. So all real life conditions, or when we are talking about a product, then the product cannot be negative. It may be either positive or it is equals to 0. So the value of all x1, x2, x3 up to xn is must be greater than equals to 0. That is, either it is greater than 0 or equals to 0. And these all equations are known as subject to condition or constraint. Now here there are two conditions arises. Either first we have to convert equations in form of mathematical equations such as these equations, or directly we are having the equations. So first we are studying how to convert a theoretical problem into mathematical problem. So guys, this is a problem which we have to formulate in LPP. The problem is, a manufacturer of a line of patent medicine is preparing a production plan on medicine A and B. There are sufficient ingredients available to make 20,000 bottles of A and 40,000 bottles of B, but there are only 45,000 bottles into which either of medicines can be put. Furthermore, it takes 3 hours to prepare enough material to fill 1,000 bottles of A. It takes 1 hour to prepare enough material to fill 1,000 bottles of B, and there are 66 hours available for this operation. The profit is rupees 8 per bottle of A and rupees 7 per bottle of B. Formulate this problem as LPP. So first we have to identify what we have to find. We have to convert this theoretical problem into mathematical problem. So first find where is the objective function. The objective function contains either the cost or the profit. So the profit is rupees 8 per bottle of A and rupees 7 per bottle of B. That is, we have to formulate this problem as LPP. That is, we have to find which kind of bottle of medicine we should make, or how much quantity of each medicine we should make. So for this, set number of bottles of A is equals to X and number of bottles of B is equals to Y. Then profit on each bottle of A is rupees 8 and profit on each bottle of B is rupees 7. So total profit is, how much total profit? Since the profit on each bottle of A is 8 and the total number of bottle of A is X, so the total profit is 8X, and same as for the B is 7Y. Now this is the objective function and represented by max Z or minimum Z. Now see, there are sufficient ingredients available to make 20,000 bottle of A. It means we can make 20,000 bottles of A, not more than it. So ingredients available for A, 20,000 bottles. That is, X should be less than or equals to 20,000. Similarly, there are sufficient material available to make 40,000 bottles of B. That is, Y should be less than equals to 40,000. But there are only 45,000 bottles into which either of medicine can be put. So there is another constraint, that is total number of bottles available is equals to 45,000. So the sum of both kind of bottles should be less than equals to 45,000. It may be equals to 45,000 or less than equals to or less than 45,000. Now moving on to the next step. Furthermore, it takes 3 hours to prepare enough material to fill 1000 bottles of A. That is, time taken to fill 1000 bottles of A is equals to 3 hours. So one bottle 3 by 1000 hours and X bottles 3x by 1000 hours. Similarly, time taken to fill Y bottles, उसके लिए देखिए कितना है. It takes 1 hour to prepare enough material to fill 1000 bottles of B. So it will be Y upon 1000 hours total. But there are only 66 hours available for this to continue or to fulfill this particular operation. That is, the sum of these two times must be less than or equals to 66 hours. According to question, 3x upon 1000 plus y upon 1000 must be less than equals to 66. So this is the entire phenomena of this particular problem. So we can summarize it as, first we can convert it into as 3x plus y is less than equals to 66,000. So the summarized form is max z is equals to 8x plus 7y subject to condition. The first condition was x is less than equals to 20,000. Second, y is less than equals to 40,000. Third one is x plus y is less than equals to 45,000, and the last one is 3x plus y is less than equals to 66,000. These are the subject to conditions, and number of bottles cannot be less than 0. So xy is greater than equals to 0. So this is the complete LPP. So this is the conversion of a theoretical problem into mathematical problem of LPP. Now we can solve it by any of the method, either by graphical method or by simplex method. This will be discussed in the next lecture. Hope you understand the content of this lecture, how to convert the theoretical problem into mathematical problem. If you like this lecture, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.